good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Today got a little special video for y'all, man. I just got this brand new Dodge Charger GT. Now I know it's not a Hemi, I know it's not a VA, it's not a scat, it's not a Hellcat, woo woo woo, but it's on the way, man. But I love this car though, man. It's smooth. Y'all see I got the gray with the black rims, 5% all around. God, had to get it tinted, bro. Y'all see. Got the round exhaust. It ain't loud, but it do make a little noise. Got the GT badge right there. Y'all see, bro. These do come with the hood scoop. As you see, it got the little scoops right here, and it comes with the hood scoop. Y'all see. I gotta get my like these little thingies. I don't even know what they call, but they came with some. But as y'all see, bro, they faded like crazy. So I'm gonna get some new ones. And then I plan on blacking out the spoiler, the little wing. I plan on getting this blacked out. And then I'll probably black out my mirrors if I do that. And then a new exhaust too. Get a lot of exhaust. Other than that, ain't really too much else I gotta redo to it. Like I said, I already got the wheels black. I already got the tinted windows. Those was a must. So yeah, man, car pretty smooth, man. You gonna go ahead and drop it to the inside. So yeah, as y'all see, actually it has the keyless entry. Push this and it locks. You just put your hand right there. Oh, yeah, just put your hand in it. It unlocks. I don't know why I just did that, bro. But y'all see, it is a little messy just because, I mean, it is my car. I do drive it. But y'all see, on the right driver door panel, it got the memory seat thingies. So like, yeah, remember your seat. 1 and 2. This one did come with the Alpine sound system package. And then you got your gas thing right here. Window things got auto, driver, passenger windows. Then right here we got the trunk release, parking brake. Yeah, y'all know, man. I ain't gotta explain all that stuff. This is the steering wheel. Got the nice Dodge logo. I know, bro. It say 140, and I see that every day. But like I said, it is what it is. It still do get up. Y'all gonna see a little bit later. It do get up. 140 is like the max to go. Like, bro, for example, I'll be seeing scats with like 180 on the dash, bro, but I've never seen a scat hit 180. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but I ain't never seen no scat hit 180. Anyways, this is like the driver, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. You see, you got the paddle shifters on both sides. Coming down over here, we got the QUICKK system, little screen. This one do come with sport and track and super track package. On the GTs, they come with all those. And you got your little climbing stuff all right here, man. If y'all know Charger, y'all know this is pretty much, you get the same thing at every Charger. Everybody be saying it's basic, but to me it's just what you need. Like, you don't need all that extra stuff. Let you get like a band, all technical. Anyways though, yeah, we got a port right here. This is the nice gear shifter. Got the manual there. Got the nice Dodge Brothers little thingy right here. This is where you get from neutral, like if you got a tow. Hopefully I never have to use that. That's what that's for, man. And you see right here we got the cup holders. 2 cup holders with a slit right here. I don't really know what that's for. Phone don't even fit. I don't know, but this slides right here so you can cover it up if you ain't using it. Inside here they got 2 ports right here. This is for you use for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Got an aux cord, and then it has another 12-volt thingy right there. It's a decent amount of space right here. Y'all see my whole hand fit in there. It's pretty good space. Got a little tray right here. That's that. This one did come with the nice Alcantara leather suede seats. I love this. I ain't gonna lie. These seats, but they hug you. All Chargers look like this, like the seats, but not all have like the Alcantara with the leather / suede. I love that. But the seats in general, but they just hug you, especially when you starting to get up. You know, you kind of cock back. If you know, you know, man. But these definitely hug you, nice and fit. Over there we got the Charger badge. Got the glove box. I ain't gonna open that. I don't even know what's in there. But y'all see. Gotta have a anti-theft system. Put this on. It's a little wheel lock. If you get any type of Charger, bro, I do recommend having these. Especially like if you in an area like me where they steal them a lot, you gotta get one of these. Just put it right here. Just in your door. Whatever this thing called, bro. I be forgetting about cars. But I ain't gonna lie. Dashboard, bro. My bad. I probably have nothing. Anyways, go ahead and go into the back seat. I sit back, so it's not that much space right here, but it's still, like, for example, over there, like a regular person would sit, you have a nice space. It do come with heated seats in the back, got vents in the back, and then 2 chargers. So people sitting in the back, you're gonna be comfortable. I ain't gonna lie, you're gonna be sitting nice and comfortable. It got pretty decent headroom, as y'all can see. Cup holders right here. Got cup holders in the middle too. Two cup holders. Just opens up. Little compartment right here. Not bad, bro. Not bad. I do mess with it. I plan on getting stars in the roof too. That's why I didn't get a sunroof. Plan on getting stars. But let's go ahead and start it up. This one, it do come with. 1 second, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the key that it come with. It got the trunk release and remote start. That's all I was gonna say. Go ahead and give y'all. It's not a cold start, but it's like 90 degrees outside. But go ahead and give y'all a little start. You just gotta click the button 2 times and it's gonna start. Y'all hear like it ain't no V8, but you know it got a little something to it. I'm gonna give y'all a couple revs. Set my camera up real quick. Give y'all a couple revs or whatever. Alright, so that's that, man. That's the GT. That's how it sounds. Like I said, I plan to upgrade my exhaust, but you know, for a V6, it don't sound bad. Let me go ahead and show y'all the trunk. It's probably messy in here. Yeah, I plan on getting the real WeatherTech. I just got these for now, but trunk space is decent. It's good. It's good space. I ain't gonna say decent. It's actually pretty good space. This could definitely be an everyday car. You know, if you got groceries, whatever, it's definitely a big trunk. Dang, it's dirty, but it comes with a net, as y'all see. And then hold on, y'all. Alright, my bad. I had a little technical difficulties, but as y'all see, got the spare tire, battery back here. I like this how it has a little hook right here. You don't gotta be like, if you ever have to pull out the spare, you don't gotta be like struggling and stuff. You can just set it up right there and you got all this, yep, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and close that back up. And like I said, it comes with a net. I didn't even set this up. Alright, now we go ahead and look at the hood, look under the hood real quick. If I could find. Right there. Pop the hood real quick for y'all. See, little 3.6 liter, man. It ain't nothing special, but let's see. My engine's super clean, but I gotta have a clean engine. And it's new, of course, but clean engine for sure. Y'all see. Ain't nothing too special, man. Y'all see what it is. Now I'm get back in the car, just show y'all little features or whatever if y'all curious. So you turn the car on. It's gonna greet you with a nice charger, little whatever. This how the speedometer look. You can right here you can change it to different things depending on what you want. They got a whole bunch of different stuff. You got like messages, you can do a song, things like that. This one also has Apple CarPlay, of course. Over here, the QUICKK system. I know I got a Hellcat badge back there, bro, but you gotta manifest, man. Don't get on me anyways, though. Like different apps, you can yeah, I see it's pretty self-explanatory. Settings and stuff, like you can change like obviously the display stuff. You could change all different types of stuff, like the lights. You could turn your daytime running lights off, different things like that, depending on how you want your locks and stuff to work. Oh, a bunch of stuff, man. I ain't really finna bore y'all with that. Right here you got the travel link. You can check like fuel prices. It'll tell you like around you how much the prices is. Weather, tell you the weather. But if you wanna like just say you finna travel or something, you can check They got a map where you can check like all around, you know what I'm saying, different depending on where you're going, stuff like that. And then sports, other stuff like that, man. Just boring stuff, I ain't gonna lie. It's not boring, but I ain't trying to bore y'all for real. Next, you got the navigation, got the map, all this different stuff. Your performance control, you could go right here and do it, or you can do it by right here clicking the super track package, sorry, or you can do it down here clicking the super track package. Then I'll pull up this screen right here. Dodge before, you got your launch control like I was saying earlier. Set it to however many RPMs you want to do it. Then you got these different modes and stuff. Then when you switch it into, when you put your car in sport, it's gonna automatically change. Or you can manually, like, you know what I'm saying, depending on which ones you want, stuff like that. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty cool though, it's pretty cool. I don't really do too much of that stuff, but it's pretty cool. And controls. Got your driver heated and cool seats, heated steering wheel, heated and vented seats for the passenger as well. And then right here, this is like your climate stuff. Got the dual climates, just different things like that. That's pretty much it. Trying to think. Yeah, that's really it though, y'all. I'm gonna put some clips in here of me just driving so y'all can see a little bit of how I drive. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna give y'all some little runs. Right now I'm just in normal mode. I ain't even in sport mode right now. Just show y'all how I get up, man. Y'all hear it? It got some sound to it too, bro. Don't get it. It ain't no hit me, of course, but it got some sound to it for sure. And y'all see that boy get up. Come on, bro. This goofy right here, bro. Like, what is you doing, bro? But yeah, I'm finna. I was trying to get some pulls, bro, but this nigga just tweaked out. I'm finna just turn around, bro. Get y'all some footage real quick. Oh. Excuse me, I gotta get in front of you, gang. I'm gonna show y'all in sport mode. Look, it's a stop sign. I'm gonna show you the sport mode. And it got launch control too. I ain't gonna do all that, but it do got launch control and all that stuff. But y'all just seen and heard. That's regular mode. It still get up. Now I'm finna show y'all sport mode. After this bridge, there's somebody calling me. They gonna have to wait. I'm shooting a video. Alright. I'm gonna throw it in sport for y'all. Y'all see sport mode. Alright, ready? He just had to go. It shift nice too in sport. It shift real nice. I can't even really do nothing for all these cars on the way, bro. And the camera unfocusing. My bad if it's shaky, bro. I'm holding the camera with one hand while trying to drive. My fault. I gotta get. I seen they got them little GoPro. Those are 360s. They supposed to be like stabilizers. I need one of those. I can't even go nowhere, bro. I might get on the highway, get y'all some clips on the highway too, but y'all see though, bro. It's not no V8. But for a V6, it's still a charge at the end of the day. So for a V6, it definitely will get up for you, bro. Alright, YouTube, that's going to conclude today's video. Y'all let me know if y'all like this video. If y'all want more videos. Y'all let me know if y'all want a video like how it does on gas. How you able to afford it, different stuff like that. Y'all let me know if y'all want videos on that stuff. But that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all for the next video, man. We out.